Hi, my name is Gnomes and welcome to my Yoga Flow Stretch Your Spine. We begin standing on the mat, grounding through your feet. Take a breath and lift your knee to your chest, starting to feel the stretch through the back body. Lengthening through the spine, open the knee out to the side and start to lean towards that lifted knee, making the stretch into the side body, through the hips, shoulders, and all the way through the spine. Take the foot back, grab hold with your hand, and start to reach up, lengthening through your spine. Natural breath, start to lift the knee forward, grab hold and twist around. Taking the twist through your spine, releasing and allowing yourself just to let go. Bring the knee forward, hold here, or maybe extend your leg forward, relaxing through your face and grounding through your feet. As we move to the other side, start to pick up the other knee and drawing it close to your chest. Feeling the stretch through your hips, spine, through your back body. Start to open the leg out to the side. Releasing through the hips as we lean towards that lifted knee. Transitioning back, take the foot behind you, grab hold, lift up high, extend through the crown of the head and reach through your fingertips. Bring the knee forward, start to move into the twist, eyes looking back towards the back hand. Relax your shoulders, move forward, knees lifted, maybe extend the leg and breathe.